Hey, Central Ohio, Stache Junk Removal has your back for all things waste management with our affordable dumpster trailer rental services. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, renovations, or cleanouts, we've got the perfect solution for you. Stache Junk Removal offers affordable dumpster trailer rentals for residents, businesses, contractors, and property managers in Central Ohio. With same-day and next-day delivery and pickup, we're here to make your projects hassle-free. Just look for the Stache when you need a dumpster trailer in Fairfield and Central Ohio. Dumpster rental is a convenient and affordable solution for waste management in Central Ohio. Stache Junk Removal provides 15-yard dumpster trailers on wheels for 1-, 3-, and 5-day rentals. It's a secure place for loading old furniture, appliances, trash, and debris. Our customer-centric approach, transparent pricing, and prompt services make us a cost-effective choice for our community. Booking a rental with Stache Junk Removal is simple. Book a rental. Share your project details for a quote. Delivery. Same-day or next-day delivery options available. Prompt pickup. We pick up promptly, responsibly disposing of contents. Wondering what you can toss into our dumpsters? Stache Junk Removal. Dumpsters are versatile and ideal for various purposes, including general junk removal, construction debris, furniture disposal, appliance removal, moving preparation, cleanouts, and more. Safety and environmental compliance are our priorities, so there are a few items we can't accept in our dumpsters. Aerosol cans, concrete, dirt, liquids, computers and electronics, asbestos, barrels, fluorescent bulbs, oil, gasoline, fuel, antifreeze, etc. Hazardous waste, paint, tires, propane tanks, televisions and monitors, etc. Stache Junk Removal offers reliable dumpster trailer rentals at competitive prices. Ready to simplify your project and make waste management a breeze? Book your dumpster today by reaching out to our team.